remains of Chief Samuel Odogwu have been laid to rest in his country home at Amanuke, Oka North local government area of Anambra State. Chinyere Feso Koya was there and now reports for NTA News.
The burial service held at Holy Trinity Anglican Church Amanuke attracted dignitaries from all walks of life, including members of the Nigerian Union of Journalists, among others. The priest eulogized the virtues of the late Agunwa Odogwu and the legacies he left behind.
And to appreciate his children, Dr. I must commend you people.
Prayers were offered for the Odogwu family, and from the church, the remains were conveyed to the country home of the deceased for interment and other Christian burial rites.
Aja, Naraja. Akunia!
Akunia! He nurtured us in the best way he could, and God has been faithful.
My father was a great man. My father laid solid foundation for all of us.
Man of peace, a hard-working man,
a peaceful man, a disciplinarian.
Then the Central School Field Amanuke recorded unprecedented crowd who thronged the area to pay their last respects to Akonia Namanuke.
Indeed, when you hear the testimony of this man, you understand that clearly he must be resting at the bosom of the Lord.
We thank God for the life he lived. We thank God for his Christian life. And we thank God that he's resting now.
To them is, thank you, you've done well for Papa.
Their dad was of age before his death. So it's not a burial of crying or lamenting.
From Anambra State and beyond, in-laws, friends, well-wishers, top government officials and lovers of the Odogwu family condoled with the deceased family.
Thank God the man was able to live up to 80-something years of age. He gave the man, he took very good care of the man when he was alive. So we are here to sympathize with him.
Odogwu Emeka PhD is our active member, and this is what we have agreed to do, as members of NIPR.
Popular teacher in our town. He has teach so many people.
Our headmaster during our primary school days.
The late Chief Samuel Agunwa Odogwu Akonia Namanuke, who died at 86 years, left the wife, Queen Elizabeth Ijeoma Odogwu, children and grandchildren. From Amanuke, Chinyere Fesi Okoye, NTA News.